Good morning children. We will continue the class now. So, I am going to take science for 4th standard. So, in the previous class we were learning about the bones and the muscles. Now, in bones still we have to learn, that is the human body has more than 600 muscles. More than 600 muscles. So, how many muscles student? More than 600. Next, the longest bones in our body is the longest bone, thigh bone. Which is the longest bone? Thigh bone. So, this is your thigh. This is the longest bone of your body. The smallest bone is the stapes. Stapes. Now, where it is? Stapes is in the ear. So, the shortest, smallest bone in the ear is the stapes. Okay. So, longest bone is the thigh bone and the smallest bone is the stapes in your ear. The longest muscle is also in your thighs only. Longest muscle is also in your thigh. So, longest bone is the thigh bone. So, you have more than 600 muscles in your body. Then smallest bone is the stapes in the ear and the longest muscle is your thigh. Now, next we will go to the external organs. So, till now we learned about the internal organs. Now, we will go to the external organs. So, in external organs, we are going to learn first about the teeth. Teeth and its types. Now, if you take the teeth are the hardest parts in our body and they are helpful for cutting and chewing the food. So, the teeth are helpful for cutting as well as chewing the food. The teeth are found inside our mouth. So, now what I said children, teeth is the hardest part of our body and is used for cutting and chewing. So, whatever food we eat, we first cut and then chew the food. Then the teeth are found inside our mouth. Now, first we have two sets of teeth. How many sets? Two sets of teeth. That is milk teeth and permanent teeth. What are the two? That is two sets of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Now, first if you take milk teeth, this is the first set of teeth starts to develop from the age of 6 months. When it develops children, from the 6 months. Now, they are called milk teeth. Okay. And they are 20 in number. How many in number? 20 in number. So, the milk teeth are 20 in number. At the age of 6 or 7, the second set of teeth grows after milk teeth falls. So, milk teeth, that is 20 in number, it starts from the age of 6 months. And then when you come to 6 to 7 age, the milk teeth falls and you get the permanent teeth. Now, next is permanent teeth. Now, this is the second set of teeth and they are called as a permanent teeth. Then there are 4 types of teeth, that is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So, in this permanent teeth, you have 4 types of teeth, that is I said incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now, if permanent teeth falls, if milk teeth falls, the permanent teeth will come again. But if permanent teeth falls, it will not come. So, we cannot grow one more set of teeth. So, it is important to take care of our teeth. Now, there are 32 permanent teeth. How many children? So, we have 32 permanent teeth. Do you understand children? So, 2 sets of teeth are there. First set is milk teeth and how many in number? 20. And it comes during the age of, from the age of 6 months. And next when you go to the permanent teeth, that is 6 to 7 age. Now, how many types of teeth are there? 4. incisors, canines, premolars and molars. And how many permanent teeth? 32. How many children? 32 permanent teeth. Now next, importance of oral health. Now, as we learned, it is important to take care of our teeth as well as our mouth. If you do not take care of your mouth and teeth, you will have problems while eating and speaking. So, you have to take care of your teeth as well as your mouth. Now, healthy mouth. It is important to take care of our teeth and mouth as I already said. Brushing teeth, eating healthy food and regular dental checkup, that is you are going to check our teeth and which keeps us healthy. So, dental means your teeth. Dental checkup keep us healthy. So, we should brush our teeth twice a day. How many times children? Twice a day. Now, food for healthy mouth and teeth. So, for healthy mouth and teeth, what do the food you take? That is, take plenty of fruits, vegetables and dairy products like milk. Now, drink water or milk instead of sugary juices. So, what you have to do? You have to drink water or milk. Then eat candy, cake and ice creams as less as possible. You should not take more this like chocolates, ice creams. Then how will you take care of your mouth and teeth? You have to change toothbrush once in every 3 months. So, how many? In 3 months, once in 3 months you have to change your brush. Should not keep your brush till 1 year, 2 years. So, you have to change once in 3 months. Then avoid sticky food like chocolates. Okay, you have to avoid sticky food. Then brush twice a day after getting up and before going to the bed. So, how many times? Twice a day. Then rinse your mouth and water every time after you eat. Do you understand children? So, next is neem toothbrush. What is it? Neem toothbrush. So, you know neem tree. From the neem tree, you take the twig of that neem tree and you use to brush your teeth. So, researchers believe that use of the neem toothbrushes is the reason behind bright smiles and healthy teeth. So, Indians traditionally chew neem twigs to keep their gums and teeth healthy. So, what do they use? Neem toothbrushes to keep your gums and teeth healthy. Next, we will go to the good touch, bad touch and don't touch. So, good touch, bad and don't touch. So, this you have already learnt in 3rd standard children. So, in 4th standard also you are going to learn. Good touch and bad touch are the words most commonly used to explain what touch is okay and what is not okay. Okay is good and not okay is bad. This helps to understand when to tell a safe person about bad touch and ask for help. Good touch is a touch that cares for us. Bad touch is any touch that we don't want or makes us feel scared. Scared na bayama irukadhu. So, bad touch just makes us feel scared. Now, activities related to good touch we are going to see now. So, what is a good touch? Parents hug. Hug na katti pidikkudu illaya. Parents hug and kisses. This is a good touch. Fathers pats you on the head. Mela tadavararu illaya thalaila. That is a good touch. Friendly hugs of family members. Family members yaru hug pannalo, it is a good touch. Then shaking your hands, it is also a good touch. So, what are the good touch children? Parents hugs and kisses, then fathers pats you on the head, then friendly hugs by family members and shaking the hands. Now, related to bad touch we are going to see now. Touching the buttocks and other private parts. So, already I told you what are the private parts in 3rd standard, like touching the chest, then bottom and your between the legs. So, these are the private parts that no one should touch. Then hitting, slapping, spitting, pushing or kissing. These are the bad touches. Activities that you make you feel scared or nervous as ashamed. So, that is a bad touch. Then dirty talk and dirty pictures. Asingamana pictures, asingama pesradhu, it is all is a bad. So dirty talk and dirty pictures. Now listen here. Next, if you receive a bad touch, that is if you get a bad touch, what you will do? First, say don't touch in a loud voice. Sattama sollanum, enna solveenga? Don't touch. And the next is leave the spot quickly. அந்த இடத்தை விட்டு ஓடிடணும். Next, tell elders, your parents, to get till you get help. Okay, you have to, what you have to do this? You have to say this about the bad touch to your elders, that is to your parents, that is grandmothers, father, mother, sister, brother, to whom, to your elders, I mean you should, whomever you trust, you tell it to them. Then, safety tips should every child should know. Tell everything to your parents, especially to your mother. Okay? Then don't share address or phone numbers with strangers. Strangers means தெரியாதவங்க. தெரியாதவங்க யார் வந்து கேட்டாலும் phone number or address, we should not share it. யார்கிட்டயும் சொல்லக்கூடாது. Next, don't answer the phone or open the door without an adult's presence. So elders should be there with you when you open the door or when you are answering the phone. Then never eat anything you get from the strangers. So தெரியாதவங்க யார் வந்து உங்களுக்கு சாக்லேட்டோ வேறு ஏதாவது சாப்பிட கொடுத்தாலும் நீங்கள் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. Okay? Then have emergency telephone number. So you have to have your mother's or father's telephone number with you. Okay children, by this the lesson gets over. So once again we will see that we saw the internal organs and external organs. So internal organs we saw brain, heart, lungs and stomach, kidney. Now next we saw about the external organs, that is teeth and its types, how many milk teeth, permanent teeth we saw, and then about your oral health, about mouth and teeth, taking care of your mouth and teeth. Next we saw about the good touch, bad touch and don't touch. Thank you children.